Alright, how's it going, everybody? Today's another day. Obviously, my year was going great until yesterday. I threw out my back, so thus this look today because I am not working. My back is killing me, but I still gotta do these videos and do a hairstyle. So I'm going to braid my hair and throw it up because that's what I'm gonna have all day with my bum old ass back. Okay, I like to go to the side instead of the middle. Take my 3 pieces and I go under. I just do the under because then it's easier for me to pick up pieces as I go. When you go under. My nose is still running. I have like the forever allergies, cold, whatever. Back broken, runny nose. I feel like I'm about to sneeze, pulling this hair. I hope everybody else's week is going good. I went to my chiropractor. Shout out to Bob Goodman at Nevada Spine Institute. And he let me know that when he took my x-ray, my neck is worse than 10 years ago. Well, of course it is, because now I'm old. My bones are brittle. I went and had 2 more babies, and I've been carrying them around everywhere. My neck and my back. Shoot. Girl is falling apart. It's like you turn 40, and all of a sudden, your world is ending, isn't it? You go to the doctor, they want to do blood tests, tell you a whole bunch of stuff about yourself that you don't want to know. I try to stay positive mentally, so when you tell me all this bad stuff, it's hard. Then all of a sudden, you start falling apart because you start believing the hype. Oh. One braid in, next side. The braids are something that are just super easy to wear when you don't feel good, you don't want to do your hair. But then what if the UPS man comes by? You gotta go outside to get your package. You can't be looking like frickin' Freddy Krueger. Sick or not, people will stop by your house when you're sick. You may have to pick your kid up from school. You might have to go to the store because your dog's ran out of food. You want to try to, with your broken back, throw that dog food in the cart like an idiot, because that's what we do. Because we're superhumans, right? Never admit you're feeling bad. Alright, so with my broken back and all, here we go. My neck's all bad. He said my neck was like great. The positioning. It does look like my head's a little off and to the side. Oh Lord, have mercy. Alright, so for my broke back mountain, here's my hair. Braid it up, put it up. If you have to go somewhere, you could throw on a hat and then this still looks cute. You feel like shit, your back's broken, you want to die, you want a morphine coma, it's alright, no worries. You still gonna look cute. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, press a like, thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, share. Ain't nothing like a broken back morning to get you going and not want to do shit. Alright, see you next time. Bye-bye.